Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be making Krispie Krunch bars. They're simple, easy, and a great snack to have on hand. Our ingredients are 160 grams of Rice Krispies, 60 grams of dried cranberries, 80 grams brown sugar, 35 grams crushed almonds, 60 grams of vegan butter, 80 grams of rolled oats, and I actually added an additional 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to place all of the dry ingredients in a bowl: the Rice Krispies, the oats, the cranberries, and the crushed almonds. Next, you need to stir all of the dry ingredients together till they're thoroughly combined. We're then going to add the vegan margarine into a saucepan under a medium heat, and then we're going to let that melt before adding our sugar. Then we'll just make sure we keep stirring that until all of the sugar starts to melt and it kind of takes on a syrupy texture. At this stage, you can add the additional 2 tablespoons of honey. We'll now pour our liquid mixture into our dry ingredients, making sure that it is thoroughly coating all of the mixture. Line a square tray with baking paper and pour the mixture into the tray. Place baking paper on the top and press it down firmly. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight, and then the next day we'll take it out and we'll cut it up into squares and we'll try it, and it's absolutely delicious. Et voila, Krispie Krunch bars, great for the lunchbox. Enjoy!